All right, Leilani, here's the explanation for how to do this chromatic scale passage. We've got G, G sharp, A. It's going to be the top of 4 right there next to the ring finger. And then you got the A, and then A sharp is the same as B flat, so you know that. And then B natural, and then C. Okay, so kind of just work through that. G, G sharp. Okay, and then when you're done with that section up to the C, work from the C sharp up to the G. C sharp is the same as D flat. It's 1, 2, 3, and pinky. And then D, and then D sharp. And we're going to play that D sharp with the lowest of the 4 pack. And then E, F, F sharp, front side F, right? And then G. So C sharp. Take your time, practice through that one, that cell, and when you're done with that, then you can work on combining them, okay? Make sure that each one of these little passages, these little half passages, are really easy for yourself, so do them so many times that you just can't get it wrong. All right, let me know when you're with that, and I'll give you the next passage.